Hey guys, so today we're gonna cook some Binagoong pork, and first we're gonna boil our pork here. Put this in the water. There you go. And then let's turn this on. High, and then let's put some ginger. Some onions and some garlic, and then we're gonna add some salt, all right, and then we're just gonna set it and wait until the pork gets really soft, and we'll get back to it. So the pork should be done, and we will separate the pork. Should be really tender. Yep. So we'll separate the pork. We don't have any pork belly today, so we'll just use this. I think it's pork tenderloin. Alright, so the broth here, we're gonna use it in a little bit later. We'll use that later. Okay. Next, put some oil. Just a little bit of oil. So first we'll put in our onions and our garlic. Don't put too much. Just medium heat. Then next, we'll put in our tomatoes. Turn up the heat a little bit. We'll wait until all the juice of the tomato comes out. There you go. Now we'll put in our pork. And mix it in. Then next we'll mix our bagoong. Not much in here left, so we'll just get all of it out. You could use whatever bagoong you have. Some people in the Philippines have the pink kind with the food coloring. So as long as it's bagoong or shrimp paste, you could use. Alright, we'll mix that in. Man, you can smell that already. Let's turn the heat down. Alright, so now it's time to put in our broth. There we go. Alright, and then we'll just let's put a little bit more broth in there. Okay, and let's let it boil and mix together, and we'll wait and we'll come back. Alright guys, so we're gonna put some sugar. Let's put just a little bit more, and then we are gonna put some black pepper. And it's hot. Alright, so, and let's mix that. The sauce is getting thicker. You want it to where it's very thick. Taste this. Good. Alright, let's let it boil and wait for about 15 minutes. Should be done. Alright guys, so it's about done. I don't know about you guys, but I like it with a little bit of sauce. So you could mix it with rice. It's really good with white rice. So let's put this in. Alright guys, so there you go, Binagoong pork, baboy. So yeah, enjoy your Binagoong pork guys, and thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and share guys, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.